control of national identity. The production of national biometric ID card is I say reportedly managed through contracts awarded to foreign Lebanese-linked business interests. I only put there, reportedly because, I know it's a fact, right? We all know it's the truth. I'm not mentioning the business names. I'm not mentioning the individuals, but I'm just trying to create a picture for Sierra Leoneans to see the effect, the extent to which the Lebanese and foreign nationals are actually controlling the economy of Sierra Leone.